Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make batata bhaji, or you can call it potato sabzi. We'll take 4 boiled potatoes for this and medium onion. I'm going to just peel and chop the onions fine, of course, as per your taste and liking. This is a very simple recipe. Anybody can do it like in 10 minutes. Okay, here you go. It's almost ready. Onions are done. This is a very favorite sabji for puris and chapatis. Okay, all we need is, as you know, my misal nasa daba is always ready with mustard seeds, turmeric, jeera. Right now I'm adding some sugar on potatoes and onions together and salt to taste. This is a very important step, I feel. And turmeric. So this idea was given to me by my father-in-law, and the sabji comes out so good every time I make it, because all the salt and the sugar gets really nicely mixed with the potatoes. Otherwise in the pan it's really hard. So here you go, our mixture is ready. On goes the pan. And we will be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. And once it's all heated up, we are going to add mustard seeds. To that I will add hing, asafoetida, and then turmeric, just a little bit this time. And just put the mixture in and let's saute it a little bit. Give it a good stir. It's a very tasty sabji. Anybody can have it anytime. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to add a very special ingredient. This is called fenugreek, dried fenugreek leaves. This also gives a very good taste. You can say it's a bit of an acquired taste, but you'll like it. And some frozen peas. And give it a good stir again. And then now we are going to put the lid back on. And we are going to keep this for at least 5 minutes. Steam it for 5 minutes. Okay, looks like it's all ready. Another quick stir. And we are going to add just a little bit of red chili powder. Alright, the sabji is ready. Here you go. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know how it comes out for you. And I will be coming to meet you again with another great recipe. A quick and easy and fun. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.